Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Ree, and this is Miss Ree and Noah G Chronicles. How you doing? Today I'm going to be doing cabbages, steamed cabbages. Yeah, so I got two. I got a small one and I got a medium-sized one. And so this is the meat that I'll be using: smoked turkey necks. They have a really nice flavor. I like smoked meats. Any smoked meat would do. But today I picked the smoked turkey necks, and I'll be having Jiffy cornbread, the honey Jiffy cornbread. So, yeah, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you're not new, welcome back. So I'll be doing the cabbages, and I'll be using my grandmother's recipe for the cabbages. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can learn something from me, because an OG taught me how to cook. My great grandmother. Well, not my great grandmother, but my grandmother, yeah. She taught us all how to cook. So, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to speed it up because what I'm doing now is getting my pot ready so that I can boil my turkey necks. And right here, I'm washing them really good. And I finished washing them, so I sped it up so you guys don't have to watch all this. I'm sure you know how to rinse your sink out and all that. So now I'm just going to put those on the stove, let them boil. I'll turn them up high until they begin to boil, and then after they start boiling, I will turn them down on medium. I'm trying to find a top to fit my pot, y'all. I got so many pots. So yeah, so let's get into this. I take off the leafy green part of the cabbages. I like the leaves. Some people purchase them without the leaves, but I particularly love the green leaves. It adds color to to your to your vegetable. It makes the cabbage more, appealing. And so yeah, rinsing my cabbage off. And now, guys, I don't know if you guys, I know you guys have to know if you do cabbages. There's these little hard pieces that to me are harder to get done when when you're boiling them. They're hard to get softened. And it's just like the rest of the cabbages are done, but those little hard pieces still, be kind of firm, and I don't like that. So I always cut mine out. I just cut them off, make little splits inside of the cabbage and just break them off. So now, yeah, I'm starting to cut the cabbage up. And y'all, sorry about that light. I can't figure out why it's so bright on the island, on my kitchen island when I'm cutting everything up. I can't figure out why it's so bright. That's why I was moving the camera around. So I was trying to get you guys a better view, but it didn't help. So maybe I have too many lights on. Maybe, I don't know. But hopefully I get it figured out on my next video. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna finish slicing these up into maybe like little quarter pieces, or you know, about the size of I'll say a quarter, or maybe I'll say maybe an inch in diameter, all the way around. I just like the small pieces. Some people like strips, but it works either way though. Strips or the little cubes. Either way is gonna be good when we get done with this. I'm just gonna continue to cut these on up and get as closer to the hard center of the cabbage that I can get. When it gets really to that hard part, when it feels like it's kind of hard to cut, I don't want that. I throw that away. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to the sink and rinse these off. Just kind of rinse them really well. Because I had already rinsed it out before I rinsed the cabbage before I started to cook. Yeah, just draining those. I put them in a strainer so they can just drain some of that water off. Because you know, guys, cabbages make water. That's how you can steam them because they made of water. So I'm rinsing those leaves really well that I peeled from around the cabbage. Rinse them inside and out. Just kind of rub them really good with your hand. Make sure there's no dirt or nothing on them. And right here, guys, I'm getting ready to you know those hard parts that I mentioned that are in the cabbages. Well, they're also on the leaves. So this is a method I like to use when I do my cabbages. I just slice those little hard pieces out, kind of like slicing in a V shape, and then yeah, that part there, that's what I'm removing. That long hard center of the outside of the cabbage leaf. The cabbage leaf on the outside of the cabbage. Sorry, y'all, I can't talk tonight. Yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like after you get that center out. And some people leave that in there and just slice it up, but no, it's a no for me. And a lot of people don't like those leaves either that I'm cutting right now. The green leaves that I'm keeping. A lot of people don't keep that part. Either they don't buy the cabbage with it, or if they do have to get that cabbage with it on there, they throw it away. But me, I like the decor. It's like a decoration to me in your cabbage, giving more of a greenery, a little more greenery to it. So right here, I folded the leaves. I fold them in half, then I fold them again, and then I just take the knife and just slice them into small strips. Small strips. They're probably about a ½ inch wide strips. Real thin. Yeah, just slice them all. Slice them all up, yeah, and just really thin, guys. That's how I do mine. Just cut them really thin, and I'll show you what it looks like. You see how thin that strip is, y'all? I just cut mine to those small strips. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a skillet from under the cabinet, and yeah, just get this I was distracted for a minute, guys. Yeah, get the skillet and baking fat. Once you fry your bacon, you know the fat that's left, the grease that's left from the bacon, I save it. Yeah, it seasons your vegetables really well. So I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons of that and put it in my skillet. hmm Yeah, guys, save that grease, that bacon fat. You will not regret it. So I'm just gonna heat that grease up. Let it get hot, kind of warm, and yeah. You see, I'm putting those leaves in there. Those real green leaves that I sliced real thin. I'm putting them in that grease, guys, and I'm going to saute those. Yeah, I'm adding black pepper. I'm adding just a little seasoned salt. It wasn't much, just a little. but mainly the black pepper in your meat that you're boiling. When that marries together, it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious. So I sauteed those green leaves, and now I'm gonna place them in the pot that I'm boiling my turkey necks in. I just placed it in there, right at the bottom, and now I'm adding my the cabbages that you see me slicing up. I'm adding those, and then halfway in the middle of me adding my cabbages, I put quite a bit of black pepper on them. I just put enough that I think that's going to cover the bottom layer, and once the top layer blends in, it'll be covered as well, if that makes sense. Because when your food boils and it mixes together, everything should, be seasoned really well. And I'm just gonna go in with a little more black pepper, because that black pepper is important when you come to cabbages. When it comes to cabbages. Yeah, guys, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.